What's going on, Scotty? I was gonna do something real fast there. These people in this hobby don't. Then I got to get out here and mow, and got to ship a couple of radios, and we stay busy around here, motivated and all that, man. And really ain't got time for mud runners, but I just thought I'd prove something. Even though you already know, I think you already scolded the locals on it before there when they was saying I couldn't run that kind of power and stuff where I'm at, and you know how it goes. There's one house. There's one down there. Right here's one straight across from me. Mustang's sitting under that carport. I could damn near squeeze the damn shaft of my dick to hold up back pressure and piss on his doorsteps over there. Right there's another one beside his house. Right there's another one. Right over here's businesses with alarms all over it. One back behind me. Right down in there's the park. Right here's walking out of my driveway. There's your black mark you left. Walk down through here. There's that one neighbor's house. There's the other. Just show you I live in the city town. There's the water tower. I can go climb it if I want to. There's the other neighbors. Here's that big business. Here's my building there that I own, that I'm gonna move my station and all in so quick as I build that other bigger box. Back there's your ball fields again. Never have set these alarms off, but thunderstorms, lightning have set these alarms off before. Right there, right up in there's a photography place, and my buddy's house back there, a photographer. Right back behind this house here that you can see up over that white truck at Toyota Trucks, this $1 Million Church. Show these mud runners. They got a lot of learning to do. That building right yonder with that white roof on it is the old town jail. It's now a little homemaker's building for quilting and stuff. Right here's that $1 Million Church. Oh, nice grass. Elevators in the church. That's even part of the church there with that other metal roof down back behind there. I'm even gonna walk up in the church for you and show you. It's huge. Got plenty of neighbors around here, man. Big ass building. Business has got them big alarms on it. There's the old jail. It was little back in the day. I don't know if you can see it from here. I'll spin back around there. You can see, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I can see it. About middle ways of this video, you can see my beam. My beam's 36 foot to the boom. You can see it back there in the backyard. I'm standing in the church parking lot now. This is a gymnasium and stuff for the church. Here's front side. Like I said, I'm about 75 yards from this church. $1 million plus. It's a huge one. I've cussed and raised hell while I was having church here. Big old fancy walkways. Imagine that. I guess if I was messing that up, our Lord's services there, they'd really love that, wouldn't they? Golly, how big is this church? Little old one red light town. You wouldn't think people around here would have something like this, man. Golly. Got somebody here just walking around. I'm in good shape too, a lot better shape than a sandstone toter. anyways, there's that big old church. Then we'll walk back up here just because I'm in real good shape. We'll walk back up through here and we'll make a left-hand turn, then we'll walk over and show you the school. Crybabies. Peons. Out here trying to start arguments between radio techs that get along with one another when it really don't matter. I'm out here kicking your ass on the stuff I do. I don't care if I ever do another radio. Some of the radios the mud runners out there is telling people that sound good are radios I've done, you know, so it really don't matter. I'm still out here kicking his ass. Matter of fact, after I'm walking, I'm about, like I said, 150 to 200 yards. I'm looking at my house now to that football field. The home side stadium, home side bleachers is about 150 to 175 yards from me. Golly, look at all them neighbors. Whew, shame on the mess. You see the football, the old gym there. Football field's just right to the left of it. Let this car pass by. Walk up in the neighbors. I ain't ever even spoke to them before, because I don't really know them. I'm gonna walk up over here. Right here's the old Geraldine theater. Just come off my street right there. I'm right now about 150 yards away. Walk in behind the old theater here. Boom, right there's the school. Newest elementary edition. Boom, right there's the football field. Boom, right back behind there's the high school. Oh hell, y'all see school buses back there? Oh, fire department. Oh, wow. Oh, Masonic Lodge. Wow. Football field. Boom. Wow. Whew. Imagine that. Down low Army gas tank there. I'm right here behind the fire department right now. Boom. School. Like I just told you, I'm in good shape. I'm just doing this to prove a point to these mouth runners out here. Not only am I going I'm gonna walk through the school property here because I can. Then I'm gonna walk right down here because I can, because I'm in good shape. Just wishing a motherfucker would. I'm gonna walk down here and show you where the ham operator lives. Imagine that. God damn it, the neighbors, man. And these neighbors right here, 150, 200 yards, 250 at the max, the further I get down here. Ball fields are just right behind them back there. There's none of that big business. Pretty goddamn hot out here today. I got a long sleeve shirt on too. Let's get down here. Let's jaywalk. Them school buses. Had to jump across the ditch there. Clean? Tune? What's he talking about, man? I think I'd be worried about my brittle ass teeth eat up with gingivitis. You better shut the fuck up over there, dog. You come after me there and I'll choke you out. But, oh, damn, I'm in bad shape. You know, we've walked a country mile already. It's kind of bullshitting. Right here's the intersection of one of the main roads. This main road from my antenna, if you walk from my antenna of my house to this main road instead of the country mile that we've walked, is about 200 yards. I'll roll it with a damn measuring tape if you want to see it. If I've got to walk all the way down there, I will. But right yonder, I'm standing 50 yards. I'm 50 yards from that house, that brick house with the white vinyl and the grayish blue roof with the van all sitting yonder. That's the ham guy. His antennas are set out back. Imagine that. Little broke ass wannabe mud runners. All they can afford is junk. Bought junk versus built. Damn, as bad shape as I'm in, I may wear out walking in this tall grass. Golly. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I may need a respirator in a little bit. I may have to grab a cold beer. Shit. Ag building's right there. Know all about this place. I built the name in this joint. Head buster. Them neighbors right there, they just put up new porch rails. I bet you they love me messing up their TV and stuff. Not. Don't mess it up. Walk through the neighbors' yards. Try to take a shortcut through the country mile. I walked so far and so long already, my dick is getting hard. And damn, I hope these crazy fools don't go shooting. I'm walking through the yard, got one sitting in here enjoying his damn lunch. I don't know if I can get up through here. I ain't never walked up through here. Now they got it blocked off. Oh, let me get out of the yard. Ollie down. don't know, they say if you ain't clean on the radio and stuff, you bother church facilities and school intercoms and alarm systems, and hell, we got a fire department, man. Imagine me messing the fire department's radios up, man. Fuck you looking at, boy? I don't know why these alarms over here don't go off and stuff. Camera systems, I don't know why they ain't messing up. Walking that country mile. Anybody got a respirator? I might need it. I wish a motherfucking 11-meter mud duck would. Get off that keyboard. I wish you motherfucking would. Get you some. I'm walking a country mile because they got fences all around this business. A lot of stainless steel stuff, expensive equipment. Now I'm back here at the ball fields right behind my house. We're coming in the back way to my house now. There's a high school ball field here. I'm out here showing them I'm out of shape, Daniel. And then there's Trump waving on my tire. Hell yeah, Trump 2020. And then I hope that shit don't go off. That mobile alarm. They got an alarm on the concession stand. Imagine that. Concession stand's right here. My antenna's right there. God damn. Alarm on the concession stand. Whew. I gotta mow my grass in a minute. So there's my house. There's that $1 million plus church over the top of them trucks. There's the business at the lightning storms and stuff. Caused the alarm to go off, but my radio station never has. Concession stand here with alarm system mounted on the side of it. Trump 2020 saying, fuck you, liberals. And that 6-element Alabama ass beater is killing sandstone gingivitis toting motherfuckers. Causing them to get rationally butthurt. Trying to start trouble between friends. Imagine that. Because he can't get out on that mud fidelity and lay a goddamn mile down. Well, don't feel bad, Hobby, because I hate to break the news to you, man. The Lord blessed me in many ways, not only to be able to afford a good station, but I got a bigger dick than you got. I mean, this really ain't, I can't apologize for it. The Lord give it to me. The Lord give me the ability to grasp a hold of things quickly and learn and store things in my fresh brain that ain't been burnt out by dope unlike his. But I got a bigger dick than he's got, bigger station he's got. I mean, how much longer is he gonna whine? He can start selling dope. He can make false claims and get government help, assistance, food stamps, and then he can put his cash, and maybe he can get cash back food stamps. and put that toward his station or whatever. Go get him a second job or whatever. But I lay $1,000 on it right now today. He can't even, well, everybody done already knows. He can't dominate me nor derail. Never will. Buying something costs a lot more than building something. In case you don't know, if you don't know, you might ought to study up. Hell, I can build something 3 or 4 times as big as what most people pay for something they bought. So, you know, built, not bought. It's a better way to go. Bump it on y'all later. I just took y'all around the country mile. That damn stop sign right there. Down here in the park. Imagine that. Running that kind of power. Can't run no power like that. Never could. Can't, could, never would, never should. I mean, imagine what... I mean, I don't know. You reckon they like me messing their TVs up and stuff while they're watching pornos and whatnot? I mean, I don't know. I forgot to walk over back behind there and show you that big building behind that house. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Just show you I'm at home. There's that old raggedy ass rust bucket there, you know. But I don't know. Fuck, I don't know. Good day, folks. Good day. Old potty mouth. Old potty mouth with a big dick down here. With some decent girth on it too. I mean, if you want to see, I mean, I know y'all don't like me because I'm out here being potty mouth and just being myself. If I was fucking acting all religious, toting a Bible around in my fucking back pocket all the time, y'all be like, God damn, he's living a good life now. We gotta find somebody else to pick on. But it don't work that way. Sure don't. Fuck me, make your mouth sore. Your breath end up smelling like cock. You know, there's 3 different stages there. You got penis, you got dick, you got cock. The majority of these little mud runners in the hobby, they're in the classified stage of having a penis. A little veiny sausage. Then you got some there that they may have a dick. Well, I got a cock. It hurts your throat. Better grab you some washers before you come. Take what you will, save the rest for later. Potty mouth. I'm stepping. I see you.